So I've been traveling in Vienna here for a couple of days, and I didn't put out any video the past week. I've had a few trades, but daily chart is boring. Nothing to do much about it. You just kind of take your trades, you go out, do other stuff. Michael Toma, on the other side, who's a trader who works with me and does trade, trades a lot more actively than I do. He's been taking a few scalp trades during the news releases the past week, and he did this video showcasing his trade, going through it live in the market, giving some feedback, some lessons about how to do it. So I thought it'd be worth it for you to watch this and to kind of get how you can also do scalping, the type of daily charts if you want. I mean, scalping for some people is even better than trading the daily charts. So I'm sure you get a lot out of this, and we'll dive right in.
Hi guys, Thursday, March 14th, Pi Day. This is the unemployment number coming out in a couple minutes, and I figured I'd just see if there was a trader. A couple of things are setting up that I'm kind of liking here. And pardon the ums and ahs, I'm just doing this live, and I have a split screen with my execution platform and TradeStation as my charting platform. So maybe all over the map. So let's see. I already noticed my view screen is cut off a little bit, but we'll see if we can do this as best we can. I try to keep things simple. What I'm looking at is to the left there, I'll put an arrow in the rendering, is the whole moving average pull back to the 52.38. Yeah, something like that. So we're up about 11 points, 17 points on the overnight, about 11 points away from there. So basically, I have no trade unless price goes down to that. So what I'm looking for is price to break VWAP, which is the overnight, live VWAP, which is at 52.47, 52.46. Again, notice I'm not worrying about every little tick. 52.47, 46. Waiting for that to break that, to hold, see sellers trapped, because obviously sellers must have got in on the move, whether it's an algo or just, day traders trying to be late to the party, and then seeing them trapped. And I want to take them long. I want to take it long back to VWAP. So that's really the basic premise. It should be coming out in a second here. Look at that lower left there. I've moved my screen. I may move my platform, my execution platform more centered, so you may not see that too much, but I'll try to keep going back to see where we are in relation to that. But basically, it's 52.38 around that area. Anywhere in that area of failure and a bounce, I want to get in on it. And I'd like to stagger my buys. I'm going to start with one contract. Obviously, it's new, so keep it simple. Pre-market, maybe get some scratch out of this. All right, should be coming out in pretty much any second here. It's interesting doing these lives. I don't really do too much of this stuff. I get a lot of comments on YouTube about, oh, why don't you show your screen? Oh, okay, well, here you go. I don't care. I really don't. So basically, you notice I got a lot of things going on, but here we go. Here's the number. Came out. All right, pop lower. All right, I would have loved to see that get to like 39 or so. All right, 38, even 37, 36, and then a bounce. All right, but it didn't happen. But let's let it digest. So now the shorts, anyone shorted that and really got lucky, they're doing pretty good right now. And well, not great, but they're actually right now they're starting to panic. So how quickly things happen within seconds during a live event. So there was sort of failure at VWAP. Remember 46, so it pierced, came back, failed, and now it's heading lower. So now we're hopefully getting some shorts sort of piling in here, so to speak. That's the thinking. But it's holding up pretty strong. Remember, S&P's up 12 overnight. I mean, the thing is, this thing was really bad, you'd see like a minus 20, right? Which, basically I would not be that interested. So I like the tempo here, right? So this is a slow grind. Give time for these sort of newbie shorts to kind of pile in, right? And also they're getting a little taste of bounces too. So maybe you could take some profits. It's good, right? Letting them attract. And that's getting a little closer to my 39, 38 area, right? That's what I'm basically looking for. And if not, no trade. All right, notice how I have on the lower right into my platform 52.41.50. So basically what I'm looking for is to go lower than that and then bounce into my order. So we're right at that point where I'm starting to get interested. I see now I'm starting to move my screen. It's great. So let me move it, and right, 37.7. So yeah, anywhere on 38, 39 would be nice. All right, and there's got to be a bounce. I mean, relatively quickly. All right, if it starts hovering around there, I'm going to lose interest. All right, so I'm going to get my platform ready. I have 41.50, but let's see if I can go a little cheaper. If it's got to go down there. Okay, now I'm really laser focused. All right, I'm going to maybe adjust my limit. There you go. I'm going to go a little lower now. All right, there now. So I want to get an early, one contract early if it bounces. Okay, order in. See what happens. I'm ready to go. Fire off. I'm watching it live, so I'm going to kind of not put a limit standing there. Okay, filled 40 and a half. Great. One contract, right? Keeping it small. All right, so 42.50 is where there was failure, came back to low 40s, hopefully suck up some more shorts, thinking, oh, this is continuing. I want to be on the other side of that. Being a little aggressive here at 42.50, but again, one contract. All right, now we should have a waiting game, which during a news event could be 5 seconds. So who knows? So again, going back to my charts, I'm constantly looking that lower left. Sorry, the right may be cut off, but that's just a 3-minute chart. All right, it met my objective. Now it's either going to bounce or I'm going to be on the wrong side with one contract. I have no problem with that. But when I see failure, when I see panic, right now, if you're short, what are you thinking? Hey, let's go, right? So if it starts to fail, I want to be on the side. So now I'm getting very interested. 42.50. All right. Let me see if I can get another one at 42.50. And I'll even let it go past 42.50 and then bounce. Here we go. Bounce back. 42.50 limit. All right. Mid price 43.50. So it's going to go without me. So two things are going to happen. If it goes without me with one contract, I'm fine with that. But I have another order at 42.50. Actually, let me take that back. I'm not fine with it. I would love to have a little more. So if it comes back and kisses my order, great. If not, it goes to VWAP. I'll just take the one contract. Okay. So right now I have a resting order at 42.50. And again, that's very normal noise to move like a point or two. Right? If it keeps going back to 37, 38, then obviously it's not good. But that's the risk you take when you start adding to winning positions. So we wait. We have a resting order, 42.50 filled. Okay. So now I'm pretty good. I mean, VWAP is around 46 and a half, somewhere around there. So I'm looking pretty good. I'd like to see it tag it. I would like to have a little more on. I have 2 contracts you can see there. So I'm going to start going to closing mode. Would like to got a third off, but that's okay. I'm going to take one off or try for 44.75. Let's see what price action does here. Think about the sellers on the other side here. They're kind of not that upset right now. They're kind of, hey, this is a continuation. That's great. Suck in some more shorts. I mean, they may win too. So, we need these players on the other side to keep my career going. All right, so my exit 44.75 still stands, but I haven't put it in yet because I'm watching price action. What's happening here? It's digesting this sort of push, right? The push down 2 or 3 points, it's kind of hanging in there. Again, if you're a seller, what are you adding now? Or you're getting in late? I want to be on the other side of that. So I still want to go into exit mode. See, it's hanging around here too long. Where are the sellers? But, I have my 2 contracts, so it is what it is. I want to see the sellers get a taste. See that 41, 42 and a half, 42 print? Okay, where are they? Where'd they go? Where are the sellers? Okay, not here. Well, not yet. They could push it right now. Again, if you're short, what are you thinking? What's going on? Let's go. Where are they going to bail? Actually, I'm kind of thinking about maybe adding here if this stays here. Let's see. Just got to be patient for now. I don't want to have too big of a size. It's pre-market news. All right, a nice little push. Not happening. Again, think of the other side. Like I'm saying this, it could be at 52.35 in like 30 seconds. So, and they'll win the game, which is fine. Okay, checking my thing too, just verifying on the left. Right, hit, bounced, everything's intact. I'm going, I'm going to see if I'm changing my sell. screw this. I want to see if I can get one more on. I want to try. I want to get these, see if these sellers are trapped. If not, I have my 2 contracts. I'm fine with that. But right, just where are the sellers? How many times have I said that in this like 5 minutes that I've been here? Right. Okay, I'm gonna add one more. See if they're trapped. 43.75. Notice I'm not looking at average price or anything like that. What I just I'll worry about that later. I'll do the accounting later. Okay, so now I'm going to start going to text. I have 3 contracts. I think that's good for now. I'm going to start going to exit mode. 45.25 just to get some off. Remember, VWAP is 46.5, 46.75. So yeah, I don't want to go too far out. Get some scratch. Get out when I can and see what I can do. So, okay, no, it's working. 45.25, good. Now, right now, I don't want, I mean, you can pull back, that's fine. But yeah, I don't want to, like, I'm set now. So now it's time for like, all right, let's see the panic into VWAP. And again, panic is what, 4 points. So, but, hey, whatever makes those shorts cover. So the longer this hangs in there, I mean, I'm not worried, but longer this hangs in there, the premise is still there. We had the 38, 39 failure, shorts trapped. And right now I'm pretty complacent. I'm just going to really stick to exit mode. I really don't want to go 4 or 5 contracts on this. All right, let's see if we get a little push here. Yeah, I mean, shorts, you got to be where it filled. 45.25, great. So I should have 2 left. 2 left. Okay, there you go. 2 left, so I'm going to start my second one. 47.75. Let me check. That could be, you may be cut off. I'm just throwing a fib on my chart to see if there's anything there. And my 50 is saying 46.75. So, I may be getting a little greedy. I hate to put my final target. I don't mind putting above VWAP, but I don't want to get too greedy. 46.75. That's fine. Good. Okay. So let's see if we can get a push here. Right now, I'd prefer not to get another push down. I really don't want to add. I want to go into exit mode. Looks like, let's see if we can get a push here. Come on, there we go. 46.50, 46.75. So those should be flat now. Let me just check. Yeah, flat. Okay. So, I mean, what was that about? I don't know if you can see my timestamps on here, but about 9 minutes. I mean, it's good. It seemed like an eternity when you're doing it live, but especially when you're recording this. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I don't want to go too heavy. I don't want to, ruin my day. I was exposed to that area. It held. I had a pre-market, summary of where I was going, what I was going to do. That VWAP was, VWAP was going to be my target if it went below that. All right. If it raced 20 points higher, I probably just would, not trade it. So yeah, we had, right, my 240.50 was the entry, 242.50 was the follow-up, and 43.75. And notice that when I was talking, I don't think I referenced like the average price I got in. It's not that important. Got at 45.25, 46.50, and then 46.75. I'm not sure why. I just, it's kind of happening so fast. Usually I would just place the last 2 at 46, say 50 or so, but it just happened. A little sloppy there. But I will take it and take a little break. And let me just double check my chart here. Yeah. So look on the left there. Exact premise. I mean, love the hull, right? Came back down, just tested it. The tempo was slow too. This is news. It should be going down like 30, 60 points. It just had that like sort of slow tempo, allowed shorts to be trapped. That's the most important thing to my arsenal. And I'll go back to my, nice little start for the day. I'll go back to my pre-market analysis. I was doing my DRC from yesterday, and we'll take it from there.
All right, so any questions on this, leave them in the comment section below. I want to hear your thoughts on this. As always, what do you think of this scalping kind of trading? Would you have taken the same trade? Would you do things differently? Let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done yet, because you should do like this 3 times a week. And I'll catch you back here in the next video pretty soon. Ciao.